Henry Ford Allegiance Health and the Jackson County Health Department are working closely to coordinate the COVID-19 response to testing, processing, and reporting our confirmed cases through the state and the CDC. As of noon today, there is one presumptive case of COVID-19 in Jackson County. There are 0 cases in the hospital. Please consult the CDC website for further statistics to ensure that you have the most up-to-date information, because that is rapidly changing.
So those drive-through clinics gave an opportunity. For folks to be tested but stay in their cars. The benefit of that is that it prevents others from potentially being exposed, specifically others in their family and also healthcare workers. That drive-through clinic is set up at 1 Jackson Square. The model for that is that individuals should call the Henry Ford MyCare advice line. And with doing that, they will be routed to a nurse who is located here locally in Jackson. That nurse will ask screening questions. Those screening questions are based on CDC guidelines. And based on answers to those questions and appropriateness for testing, individuals can then be scheduled for a drive-through appointment where they can have their nose swabbed and tested for COVID-19 if that's appropriate.
I would like to let people know who may have traveled outside of Michigan into one of the higher risk areas, but are not being monitored through the CDC program because you travel out overseas, that you should stay home as well for 14 days after your travel and monitor for symptoms. You do not need to be tested or screened at this time. Just stay home and self-monitor. Should you develop symptoms, a cough, shortness of breath, fever, then you would want to call the MyCare advice line.
We do want folks to stay at home and quarantine themselves and only come to the testing facility if you are screening positive through the MyCare advice line, or if you need emergency care, you can absolutely present yourself to the emergency department if you feel emergency care is needed. Thank you.